Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. This is a bit of an unusual video for me where I show you the contents of a box still wrapped up just like it arrived at my house. Not that there's something wrong with it, it's just that I already have some of the cars that are in here. I bought these for trading with friends who I've gotten to know through YouTube and who for the most part also have a YouTube diecast channel. It's the first time I've ordered from this website and I stumbled upon it while looking for info on the new 2022 Mini Champ 64 releases. Let's see what I got. First up, got a few presents, little rubber ducky, some sweets, and a pen with their logo on it, and two business cards. So you have the website miniwheels.online. Miniwheels is the online store's name. It says in red, big in miniatures, in Dutch. It's a Dutch website. This is the owner and the address, in case you're interested. So let's see. Let's start with this one. It's all very nicely wrapped up, and you know, didn't expect to get any gifts either, so that's all very nice. Very pleasant experience ordering from this website, I must say. So here we have a older Greenlight Motor World release in the American edition, series 13. This has a date of copyright, I should say, of 2015. And this is the 2013 Chrysler 300C. I collect this model, this vehicle, so I try to get every single one I can find. This was €5.50, and the shipping for the whole box was €12. So divided by 30 cars that are in here, that's 40 cents per car, so €5.90 in total for this this one, which is an okay price. So let's take a look. I have this in black and in silver, and now I have a red version by Greenlight. So plastic base, because it's a Motor World release. 2014 production actually. 35014. 14 is a year. That's interesting. So of course we got authentic chrome rims and rubber tires. Got lensed headlights. Very nicely detailed in the front there. It's got it's kind of a metal flake red, or maybe even more maroon-like color. Got some silver around the windows. It's got side view mirrors too. Painted taillights and details. Black interior. Let's see if we can look inside there. Very narrow windows. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So yeah, very nice addition to the 300C collection. Let's put this one aside and pull out this one. This is also a Greenlight item. Very well packaged. Also from Greenlight Motor World, this is a Ford diorama. Let's see what it says. These are the vehicles that are in there. Ford Focus, Ford Explorer, Ford Fusion, Ford Escape and Ford F100. And this has a copyright of 2014, so also an older release. So we have two SUVs in there and then a hatchback, or two hatchbacks. I'm not sure if this, I guess this is a Fusion. Yeah, if this is a hatchback or a sedan. So we got the Focus, and then in the back we got the Escape and the Explorer. So the Explorer will be on the left, the silver one, and the Escape on the right, the goldish one, goldish green. And the F100 here in the front with the Ford livery. It's got kind of a Ford dealership in the back, it seems. And the cars are kind of hard to see with the plastic on top of them. But yeah, so I bought this for a friend. If he doesn't want it or he already has it, then I will open this up in the chase report next week. But yeah, it's kind of cool to have all these civilian vehicles by Ford. No police liveries or something else, just plain cars. It's kind of cool to come by. So yeah, definitely wanted to pick that up too. And then everything else in here is Mini Champs 64. So they had still, or they still have quite a big stock of Mini Champs 64. The old ones, the ones from 2009. So I ordered a bunch of them because they were only €5. So with the shipping, that's €5.40 for these magnificent little gems. So yeah, I definitely wanted to pick those up. I can see here they are in the wrong label. So these are the red coupes of the Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. So one of 5,040 pieces. That's how much they made of every single model they released in 2009. Fire Opal is the color in German. But the box here says that it's the SLR McLaren Cabriolet in black, which is incorrect because it clearly is a coupe in red. They both say that, so maybe at one time they were taken out of the box and put in back in the wrong box. I don't know. So put these in the back here. These, if you go to the website, these won't be there anymore because I bought all of them. I'm sorry, but they still have a bunch of other ones left. So if you want to grab some cheap Mini Champ 64 before they get yeah, scooped up by all kinds of collectors who get to know Mini Champ 64 because they're getting back into the game, now is the time, I think, to grab these. I know Mini Champs is going to do the new Porsche 911, the 992, and maybe they'll be re-releasing some older castings too, who knows. But these are definitely worth getting if you don't have any. So here we got the, well, you know, I've got the actual cars here loose next to me, so every time I show a box I should show the vehicle, right? So first we look at the Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren 2008, I think is the date that it says on the base. Got the silver for the exhausts on both sides, silver for these grills. So we got lensed headlights, got lensed taillights, and very detailed interiors as you get from Mini Champ 64. If you could shrink yourself down and sit in one of these, they would look really lifelike. Got the reflecting pieces on the side mirrors too. Very nice rims with the brake discs behind them. Yeah, beautiful models. Next up we got the Porsche Cayman in Indisch Rot, in red. This is the actual correct box with the article number. So there's 4 of these in this bubble wrap package, and then we got 2 bigger ones. Let's take the smaller one first. We got, I forgot to show the Porsche again. Jeez Louise. First up, Porsche Cayman S 2008. Details for the exhaust in silver. Again, lens taillights, lens headlights. Nice rims. Brake discs again behind the rims. They are perforated, very nicely done. No calipers though, but you know, for €5, I mean, this is the most detail you can get for €5, I'm telling you. Again, very nicely done interior. Even got a little net on the back to hold down some stuff when you're taking your corners at 1G. Yeah, beautiful. So, got 3 of these, 3 of these. So here we got the Porsche 911 Carrera S Cabriolet in racing green metallic. So this is a color that does not exist in German apparently. So take a look at the car loose. Again, engine and exhaust detail. Perforated brake discs behind the rims again. Very nice color combo. The metallic green with the tan interior. So again, of course, lens lights front and back. 4 exhausts on this one. And interior wise, just yeah, very impressive. Sweet. So that's that one. And then we got this one. Porsche Cayenne GTS in GTS Rot and GTS Red. Yeah, I want to see this too, in case you're interested. So here it is. Again, exhaust detail. These rubber tires have no tread on them. You might already have noticed that, but that's okay. Perforated brake discs again. Tail lights, 4 exhausts, lens headlights. Pretty dark interior, but yeah. See the gauges there on the instrument cluster. And then the last Okay, let's see. So we got 3 more of the Mercedes. Let's put those. Oops, got stuck. Put those in the back with the other ones. We got the blue version of the GTS. Sorry, the Cayenne. It's not a GTS, it's an S in marine bleu metallic. So marine blue. And that's the one here. So it's pretty much the same detail exhaust wise on the base, but different exhaust in the back. You see the red one has the 4 exhausts and this one has 2 exhausts. Different rims too. Got the brake disc behind. Kind of hard to tell, but I think they are perforated too. And interior will be very similar, I guess, to the red one. And then the rest of them, oh no, there's one more blue one. The rest of them is a casting that is in my Mini Champ 64 top 3. I was very surprised that they still had that. It's a very good casting. And that's this one. Aston Martin DBS in Casino Royale. Kind of a gunmetal grey. They still have this one on miniwheels.online. I think there's 2 left. So you're after this one for cheap. Be quick. Very little exhaust detail on this one. So we got the clear lens taillights, like the SLR also has the clear taillights, and then the lens headlights also. Very nice grille. Some silver in the back there. This one has a closed window, so it's going to be a little bit harder to look inside. Seems to have a 3-point harness. Bucket seats or racing seats. Don't know if that's the case on all DBSs, or if that's optional. Yeah, together with the Bentleys, this is definitely in my top 3. Well, there's actually 3 Bentleys, but I only have the Continental GT Coupe and the older convertible. I think it's the Azure, not sure. They don't have any of the Bentleys on miniwheels.online, unfortunately. But, you know, not a bad find, I must say. Now that, you know, we don't have any swap meets here at the moment, it's kind of hard to find these gems, because most of the ones I have I found at the NAMAC event. So very pleased to still be able to grab some of these very unexpectedly. So those of you out there who trade with me, you know who you are. You're going to get some of these. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.